All right, now we're going to be adjusting the levels. So I had done it earlier for practice, and let's see if I learned anything. All right, so here we are. We have our layer, our property, and our adjustments. We're going to click onto the levels, and let's talk about the histogram that you're looking at. Photoshop adds a level adjustment layer to the layer panels. The levels control the histogram appears in the properties panel, which we already got. The histogram displays a range of dark and light values in the image. The left blank triangle, right here, I'm pointing to it right here, left. The left black triangle represents the shadows. The right, or on the right white side, represents the highlights, and the middle represents the gray. So, and also the midtones or the gamma. And then, unless we're aiming for a special effect, the ideal histogram has its black points at the beginning of the data and its white points at the end of the data. The middle portion is fairly uniform. We're going to use the calculate a more. So we're going to use the accurate histogram button, which is right here, and you can see it has a warning sign. We're going to click on it anyways. And we can see that the histogram, it has the endpoints have been cut off. So we want to push it over on the white side so that we're not cropping to about 242. In the book is 242, and I could just type in 242. And then it's saying for the middle area, it's going to be 0.9. And that is our adjustments using the histogram. Oops, we don't want that.